Check out these 3 tips to level up your Excel sheets.
In my table, I can click on any cell or any header value. I'm going to come up to Data at the top of my page, come over to Filter, and click. All of my column headers now have a drop-down arrow. The drop-down arrow is what's going to give us all of our filtering and sorting options. I'm going to start by selecting just the emails in my table. I'm going to come up to Conditional Formatting here at the top. Under Conditional Formatting, I'm going to go to Highlight Cell Rules. So I can click on Duplicate Values, and it will give me the option to change how I want to view my duplicate data. I click OK, and you can see that my emails that are duplicated are highlighted in red and easy to find. So let's go to Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cell Rules, and let's go to Greater Than. I'm going to look for any data greater than 70%. So I'm going to do 69.9%. Because these are a positive value that I'm looking at, I'm going to switch to a green fill with dark green text.
Comment Excel to learn more.